Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will tell you the issue that is being solved with Flow3 Depin airdrop. All right, there's an issue with this airdrop and it is the solution that we're about to be able to do now. I know you must have been doing it and your points are not showing. You can't even register with your main email address that you used, the correct email address that you used. You cannot even be able to register it and get. So I found a solution for it and I'm going to show you all about it in this video. So if you are looking for other Depin airdrops, please head over to my playlist section on my video where you can be able to get all of them completely so that you can be able to start mining these Depin airdrops. If you are new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make content in crypto, tech and finance. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel, link in the description. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing here is Flow Depin. This is their website as well as their Chrome extension, which is what I'm using. So if you look at the Chrome extension, I'm actually logged out. All right, so it will tell me to connect with my Google, but I didn't use my Google account. I actually signed up with my email. All right, with my email. So there's a solution for it because it's more like they updated their database and every previous data from people who have been mining the airdrop was just deleted. Like you can't even see it any longer. So the solution is what we are going to walk you through completely. So pay huge attention. So if you click on the Chrome extension, it is not active. I didn't sign up with the Google account, so I'm not going to do it. But here on the login website is what I'm using. So if I type my website here, if I type my login, it will tell me that the user is not active. All right, let me just type it briefly. Here is it. I did every single thing completely and correctly. Then I type in the continue button and it will tell me that the user is not found, or if it's not, it will actually tell me to redirect. Okay, so this has been a major issue. It's still not working at the moment, but this has been the major issue. If you try to log in, it won't work completely. If you try to log in, it won't work. So what you need to do is to start all over again. That's click on the sign up button. All right, okay, it actually loads up for me because I've already done it, but all you need to do is to re-sign in. All right, so you need to sign in again. That's what you need to be able to do. Once you signed in again, you need to sign in again, not log in right now, sign in again. So it is now starting up. That's my new account, every single thing. It is now starting. That's from afresh. So once you look at it, the first thing that you need to do is this red icon here, this top icon here. If you just click on it, it will tell you an important notice. To receive all your earning points, please link the wallet that you use to connect to Flow dashboard in order to sync your data and secure rewards before April the 15th. So you have from now until April the 15th for you to be able to do that because of the updates. Okay, because of the update. So I normally use my Phantom wallet to be able to do this, and that is what I have also been using in terms of all my videos. Okay, so if you have been following me, you already know. So I have my Phantom wallet on and I'm going to try and connect it with that same wallet. Just make sure it's that same wallet so that you don't lose any of your accounts. So I just click on it and hopefully it will prompt me for me to be able to sign up with my password. So I'll just click on my password and sign up right now. So I'm just going to sign up with my password and it will actually start and verify completely. So I'll just click on unlock. So what it means is for me to be able to reconnect again with that same wallet. Then because the wallet has been active on it, it will actually return back all the previous sessions that was unaccounted for. That's the ones that I mined and it did not show. In addition to that, they are also going to give me extra 5,000 that I have. So I've just reconnected and it is still loading here. It is still loading here, and after that it will actually completely do it. All right, but unfortunately a lot of things concerning this airdrop, I know that some people have complained about this particular problem or issue in the comments as the ones that I did on the Flow airdrop previously. That's a few weeks ago, and just like a week ago or so, or 2 weeks ago I think, and it is a huge issue, because some of the things about Depin airdrops is that in as much as people are mining differently from remote areas, server issues can also arise, and that's a major problem. So people that I've even referred, as well as every other thing, is now done. So it is okay, you have seen it here, it's now synced the entire data, but none of my activities or none of my accounts is showing as at the time of as at now. So it's still not showing much of the things. Probably okay, it's just few things that they even gave me, so I don't even have enough. All right, so the thing hinted me that to the point that I wasn't even getting my mining sessions ongoing, in as much as I was having my network connected. So this is what you need to be able to do. So I have 0 referrals, which is what he has done for me, and nothing is now working for me on my own end. But nonetheless, that is what this thing is. So you can be able to do it in order to be able to secure your points, so that you don't lose any one of it. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.